get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the title, we are back with another wig video. So thank you to Love Me Hair for sponsoring today's video. If you guys would like to see how I got this look from start to finish, just stay tuned and keep watching because you're not gonna want to miss it. And I forgot to mention, y'all, this wig install is 100% glueless, so you do not need any glue and any spray. So if you guys are a beginner or if you don't like lace glues like myself, this wig is going to be perfect for you. So just stay tuned and keep watching.
Is a cat saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. Yeah. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like he'll send me a pin. Look at my shit, cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Alana. I would love for you to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you're returning, welcome back to my channel. Today's wig sponsor is Love Me Hair, so thank you to Love Me Hair for sponsoring today's video. And as y'all can see, they sent me over this beautiful wig, y'all. Like, look how full this wig is, you guys. If you guys don't know by now, I love me a curly wig. Me and curly hair are just like locked in. Like, I just love curly. So this is Love Me Hair's breathable deep wave 4x4 lace closure. It's a glueless and it's 100% human hair. This wig is in 20 inches as well, you guys. So pretty. As you guys can see, it is very full. Like, look how full this wig is, y'all. And you guys can see the curls. I did go ahead and bleach the knots on this wig, but that was my personal preference. You do not have to bleach the knots on this wig, you guys, because this wig does come pre-plucked and it does come pre-bleached, which you guys did see in the unboxing how realistic the knots were. Chef's kiss, y'all. Like, it really was giving. So you really don't have to bleach the knots, but me, I'm kind of extra and I bleached the knots. So with that being said, I just want to show y'all like how realistic the lace is. I don't know if y'all can see. Look at this. It looks so good, y'all. Do y'all see this? When it comes to Love Me Hair and their pre-bleached knots and their pre-plucked hairline, it's just giving, y'all. And also, I know Love Me Hair, also a lot of times when I do their wigs, I do glueless installs, which is the best part because who doesn't love a glueless install, y'all? Because I definitely do. So this install will be glueless, so no glue, y'all, so you guys can go ahead and put all the glue away. I'm really excited about this video. I just love me a long curly wig. And honestly, y'all, for this to be 20 inches, I don't know, it looks pretty long too. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the back. You guys can obviously see how full this hair is. Like, it's so beautiful. All right, so I was thinking I wanted to do a side part, but I'm just gonna leave it in the middle part. I've been feeling middle parts lately, so we're just gonna keep it as a middle part. I did go ahead and put some powder on my lace. You guys know this is my Fit Me powder in 330. So we're gonna start to situate this hair. We're gonna cut off the lace in this wig first. So a lot of times with closures, you guys, they do come with like these two little extra pieces on the end. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut that off. All the lace is cut off, but I want to show you guys once again what the lace is giving. Like, do y'all see this? Like, so seamless. I am gonna go ahead and use my Ebin lace spray. I'm only gonna use very little of this. This is just to help my wig to keep from moving. Next thing we're gonna do is start this middle part. because I do want this to be like more sleek, even though I love me a good puffy wig. It's just way too puffy. So I'm just gonna measure out where I want it to be.
Because you know that it's fat. Yeah. And it been what it been. All in his phone like he'll send me a pin. Look at my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
I finally got my part situated. As y'all can see, is giving. Sometimes I like my part though to be like real flat, so I'm probably just gonna keep going over it with my hot comb from time to time. But I just fixed up my part with some L'Oreal Magic Root Cover Up Spray. So now what I'm going to do, style the hair. So this is one of my favorite parts of the wig installs because it just brings the look together. So I'm just going to use my water. I might combine these two mousses. I have the Lotta Body coconut mousse, and then I have the ebon mousse. So as y'all can see, I'm running kind of low on this. This is actually one of my favorite mousse to use. Highly recommend. I think I might use these two and get this hair styled and all cute. So let's do it.
Bye.